Welcome back. In this video, we're making glazed donuts. Into a stand mixer, bread flour, 1 packet of instant dry yeast, sugar, 2 eggs, pour in milk, start mixing on low speed, then add salt, continue mixing or until a rough dough ball forms. Pour in melted butter a little bit at a time. Increase the speed to medium and continue mixing for another 1 to 2 minutes. Flour your work surface area, turn out your dough, roll it into a dough ball, place into a greased bowl, cover, and let cool at room temperature for 2 hours. Then place into the refrigerator overnight. 24 hours later, turn out your dough, cut into 12 equal-sized pieces, shape into balls, cover and let the dough relax for about 20 minutes. Place onto parchment paper sheets greased with Pam, grab a measuring cup, press down to flatten, or until about a ½ inch thick. Remove the center, cover once again, and proof for 1 hour, or until doubled in size. Into a deep fryer they go at 325 degrees for 2 minutes per side, or until lightly golden brown and puffy. For the glaze, powdered sugar, pour in hot water, and corn syrup. Whisk until combined. Once they have cooled completely, about 10 to 15 minutes, dunk your donuts, making sure to coat all over. And there we have it, glazed donuts. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.